Guys, if flashlight is grayed out in your iPhone, then first of all check whether your camera app is open in the background. If you have camera app open in the background, just swipe up to close the camera app and then try to use the flashlight. Okay, now if this is still not working, then another trick is to use the camera in a very dark room, in a very dark place. Just try to open the camera in the dark place and then try to take a picture. Okay, and this will reset the flashlight for camera. Now if this is also not working, try to check if your phone is hot, if your battery temperature is high. iPhone restricts the flashlight, so in that case what you should do, you should just let it cool down for a bit and then see if it works or not. If this also not work, then force restart your iPhone. So for this, just press the volume up once, down once, and then press and hold the right side key. Keep it pressed until it gets turned off. And once it gets turned off, and once you see the Apple iPhone logo appearing again on the screen, then leave the side button, and then you have forcefully restarted the iPhone and your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.